Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new visual intelligence feature on your iPhone 16 lineup. So let's get started. Now this is only available on the iPhone 16 lineup. So if you have anything else, you'll not be able to use this. And you also need to update your iPhone to iOS 18.2 or newer. So in your settings, go to General, Software Update, and make sure it's on 18.2 or newer. Now once you have those requirements, this is how you use it. So this feature comes in with that camera control that's on your right hand side. So what you'll need to do is press and hold on to this button and point at something. So if you press and hold like this, as you can see here, it will come up with this thing that says visual intelligence with camera control. So you can see here, you can learn about objects and places around you by just simply pointing to it, and you can hit continue. And let's go ahead and take a look at. So I'll see if this works here. Usually it works well if you're outside and you have a location turned on. So I'm going to see if it captures this. So here, so I have something like a bake shop here. So I can go ahead and click on search, continue, and it will go ahead and search for me. And as you can see here, a couple things here, it will search. Now if you're pointing at something, sometimes it will give you hours and much more. Here it's just giving you a Google result, but you'll be able to do a lot more with this. But basically just point and then ask questions like times, and this integrates with ChatGPT as well. So hit continue, enable, and you'll get a lot more details about it. So if you point on something and you have your questions, you can ask them or just have Google search. Basically a quicker way to get more of your answers. You can also have it copy text, get your text read out loud, search for items on Google, and using, okay, of course, ChatGPT. But that's how you do it. Again, to activate it is simply press and hold that camera control. Now if you just press that camera control, it's going to open up, as you can see here, just the camera. So you want to press and hold. So the key here is pressing and holding to get into this visual intelligence feature on your iPhone 16. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.